Thanks to this, the Wipe It Down challenge that gave me an idea on what to make for lunch. Sounds great. Are you ready? Let's do it. Looking for a fun and quick recipe that is absolutely delicious and has minimal ingredients? Then you need to make this tortilla tuna melt, a fun TikTok tortilla hack that we have seen over internet. I decided I had to try it out and ended up deciding on a tuna melt version. Let me tell you, this tortilla tuna melt that we are making is absolutely delicious and is half the mess of a regular tuna melt. It is so simple to put together and just plain fun. If you want a delicious tuna melt that doesn't fall apart when you eat it, then you need to try this tortilla tuna melt recipe. Alright, let's begin. I combine 1/4 cup of finely chopped red onion, celery, carrots, and 1/8 cup of finely chopped parsley, 1/2 teaspoon of ground black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 4 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 1 cup of canned tuna, and lastly, 1/2 lemon juice. Mix all together. I also added 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard. This has so much flavor and adds to the creaminess in the mixture.
So let's make the tortilla tuna melt. I know everyone have seen the tortilla wrap hack, but if you haven't seen it, the wrap hack is basically the smartest way to make a wrap. So let's start with a butter around. Then let's put the tortilla. So after cutting the tortilla from middle to the bottom, we can fill the different quadrants with fillings. So I'm just gonna start with the tuna mixture. And then we can put some cheese. And then we can do more on the side. There you go. And another cheese. So this is the trick. You can just fold and another fold and another fold. Ooh, that looks so good. Do you hear it?
Cook until cheese is melty, 2 to 3 minutes each side.
Let's flip it. Ooh, look at that cheese. Melted cheese. Okay, let's transfer.
Isn't it amazing how quick and easy this tortilla tuna melt? Tuna lovers, meet your ultimate tortilla tuna melt with just the right amount of crunch, melty cheddar cheese, and a couple good sides of pickles, mixed greens, and chips. That sounds so delicious.
Oh my god, so good. So good.
Thank you for watching. For more cooking and simply delicious recipes, don't forget to subscribe. Till next time.